Welcome to you in 16th lecture of haloalkane and haloarenes. Today's topics are chemical properties of haloarenes, where we study reduction of haloarene, action of metals on haloarenes, electrophilic substitutions of haloarenes, and action of chloral on chlorobenzene. First we go reduction of haloarene. Clear? It is generally done in presence of zinc copper pair and ethyl alcohol, where haloarene is reduced to give benzene in this way. Like this is, suppose bromobenzene is reduced to give benzene and hydrogen bromide. Clear? Now we go another topic. Action of metals. Clear? Here we go. First number, action of lithium. This acts in this way. Suppose it's lithium, clear, to form they are lithium bromide in this way. This is C6H5Br, this is 6,6H5Cl. Sorry, allyne. This is called phenyl lithium. Clear? Or lithium benzene. In the same way, the second action of copper powder. Copper powder. This reaction is also called Ullmann biaryl synthesis. Another name of this reaction. In this reaction, really two molecules of haloarene reacts in this way, and these halogen atoms go with copper to form diphenyl. This is called diphenyl. So it is called Ullmann biaryl synthesis also. In the same category, third number, the action of magnesium. Also called Grignard reaction. Grignard reaction, in which Grignard reagent is formed. This is in this way It reacts with magnesium in presence of ether or THF, and temperature is taken about 40 degrees centigrade to form this compound, that is C6H5MgI. This phenyl magnesium iodide. On one side of magnesium, if alkyl or aryl group is present, on other side halogen atom is present, then such organometallic compound is called Grignard's resin. Hence all compounds are organometallic compounds in action of metals. हम लोग पिछले वीडियो में पढ़ चुके हैं what's are organometallic compounds. Hence what is THF? THF means tetra hydrofuran. Tetrahydrofuran. Its structure is in this way. It's tetrahydrofuran, जिसकी प्रेजेंस में रिएक्शन होता है. Now another very important action of sodium. There are two reactions. One is the Wurtz-Fittig reaction. In this reaction, alkyl benzene is formed. Alkyl halide is formed. हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है वुर्ज रिएक्शन में. वुर्ज रिएक्शन में क्या था? Two molecules of alkyl halide reacts with sodium in presence of ether to form alkane. In the same way, there are only one molecule of haloarine reacts with sodium and one molecule of alkyl halide to form alkyl benzene. In this way, it forms this compound. It is C6H5CS3. Its IUPAC name methyl benzene. Common name is toluene. It is a method of preparation of toluene by chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, and so on. Next, small v number, Fittig reaction. Fittig reaction. क्लियर? वुर्ज रिएक्शन लोगों ने पढ़ा है, वुर्ज फिटिग और ये फिटिग है. वुर्ज रिएक्शन में क्या था? सोडियम रिएक्ट्स विद टू मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ alkyl halide. In Wurtz fittig, one molecule of alkyl halide and one molecule of phenyl halide is taken. In the Fittig reaction, only two molecules of phenyl halide reacts with sodium to give diphenyl, like this. This is bromobenzene reacts with two molecules of sodium and this one. They are phenyl bromide or bromobenzene. Their two molecules are taken. This is formed diphenyl and also sodium bromide. It forms diphenyl. This is called Fittig reaction. Now we go. Electrophilic substitutions. हम लोगों ने लास्ट वीडियो में पढ़ा था न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशंस, हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था. न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशंस आर डिफिकल्ट इन haloarenes compared to haloalkanes. And you know, electrophilic substitutions are very easy compared to nucleophilic addition. You know why? आइए देखते हैं इसको. And it gives also ortho para product. Actually में हम लोगों ने resonance पढ़ा था. During resonance. आइए देखते हैं. बताया था आपको, this moves towards benzene ring by which the pi electron moves on this side. Then what happens? The electron pair comes on ortho position and their partial double bond characters develop between कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. बताया था कि इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर आपका पाई यहां डिस्प्लेस हो जाएगा. इस कार्बन पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज डेवलप होगा. इट्स न्यूट्रलाइज्ड बाय वन कार्बन ऑफ क्लोरीन एंड इट मेक्स डबल बॉन्ड. ड्यू टू ट्रांसफर ऑफ वन इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑफ क्लोरीन ऑन दिस कार्बन, इट एक्वायर्स पॉजिटिव चार्ज. नाउ दिस इज अ ऑर्थो पोजीशन. Ortho position. So you know, on the ortho position, electron density becomes greater. In the same way, when it moves towards further, then what happens? This pi electron moves on this side. And negative charge come on the para position. When this pi electron displaced on this carbon, then this carbon acquires positive charge. It's neutralized by this pair in this. And this is the para position. Para position. In the same way, this electron pair goes on this side, pi electron displaces on this. This is also ortho position, where electron density becomes maximum. So in the benzene, due to resonance, electron density is maximum at ortho and para positions, where attack of electrophile E plus becomes easy and it gives electrophilic substitution. Clear? And it gives ortho and para product because electron density is maximum in ortho and para positions. we go some common electrophilic substitution reactions. Like their first, halogenation. Halogenation. Like this, it reacts with presence of halogen carrier. Like FeCl3 is a halogen carrier and reaction occurs in dark. Then chlorine produce chloronium ion. Chlorine produced chloronium ion. Really, FeCl3 reacts with chlorine in this way to form FeCl4 minus and chloronium ion. This chloronium ion is electrophile attack on the ortho or para position to form ortho or para dichlorobenzene. This is, and also replaces HCl. This is ortho dichlorobenzene or 1,2-dichlorobenzene, and this is 1,4-dichlorobenzene. It is also called ortho dichlorobenzene and it is called para dichlorobenzene. Remember to it, due to symmetric shape, it is a major product. Major product and this is minor product. और वैसे भी ध्यान रखिएगा, attack of electrophile is easy on the para position compared to the ortho position. Now, in the same way, we go sulfonation. Sulfonation, where it reacts with fuming sulfuric acid. We take in highly concentrate or fuming sulfuric acid. Which is also called oleum or H2S2O7, where reaction becomes easy. And by loss of water, the sulfonic acid is bonded with on ortho position or on para position. It is ortho-chlorosulfonic acid. It is para-chlorosulfonic acid. It is a major, it is a minor product. And their next, nitration. Nitration. It is done in the presence of nitrating mixture, that is concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. They are really nitric acid. It is taken concentrate that reacts in presence of concentrated H2SO4. Really H2SO4 reacts with HNO2 to produce NO2 plus. It is called nitrosonium ion. Sorry, nitronium ion. It is called nitronium ion, which attacks on ortho and para position. Nitronium ion, and it attacks on ortho or para position to form ortho nitrochlorobenzene or para nitrochlorobenzene. This is ortho nitrochlorobenzene. This is para nitrochlorobenzene. In the same way, we go Friedel-Crafts reaction. It is of two types. The first number, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and next is the Friedel-Crafts acylation. First we go Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Hence, reaction is done in presence of anhydrous ammonium chloride, which is a Lewis acid. We can take other Lewis acid also. Anhydrous ammonium chloride is much better. Clear? In the presence of this, this reacts with alkyl halide. Clear? To form this is in Friedel-Crafts alkylation, haloarine reacts with alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous ammonium chloride to form alkyl haloarine. Clear? It is a chlorotoluene. It is a chlorotoluene. In the same way, next Friedel-Crafts acylation, also called alkanoylation. Alkanoylation. Hence, इसमें क्या होगा? Really, benzene ring hydrogen is replaced by acyl group. You know acyl group? RCO. ये acyl group होता है. Or maybe methyl, ethyl and so on. In this way. This is also in the presence of, remember to in Friedel-Crafts reaction, in alkylation or acylation, ortho and para both products are formed. In this way, their hydrogen is replaced, where this acyl group take position of hydrogen in this way. In the presence of chlorine, it is called acetophenone. So it is called orthochloroacetophenone. And may be formed also पैरा फ्लोरोएसिटोफिनोन. इट इज आर्थो, इट इज अ पैरा फ्लोरोएसिटोफिनोन. इसी प्रकार अल्काइलेशन में भी आर्थो और पैरा दोनों प्रोडक्ट्स पॉसिबल हैं. नाउ वी गो कंडेंसेशन विथ क्लोरल. Chloral. You know formula of chloral? CCl3 CHO. This is a reaction in this way. ऐसे लिखें. In this reaction, two molecules of chlorobenzene heated with one molecule of chloral in presence of constant H2SO4, where this oxygen goes with hydrogen atoms of para positions of chlorine to form H2O plus CCl3CH. It is shortly called DDT, or detailed name is called para dichloro and diphenyl and trichloro ethane, or DDT. Clear? This is para पोजीशन में डाइक्लोरो, डाइफिनाइल, दो फिनाइल हैं, ट्राइक्लोरो and the two carbon atoms, it is called ethane. Clear? At present DDT is banned. It has very harmful effects. उनके बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. उसका इंतजार करें. इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें.